G'day hot rodders, welcome to my channel, Sanders Hot Rod Garage Workshop. Today I am fitting a booster to the firewall of a 1934 Ford. I'm using a Nissan Skyline 1992 pedal. And the first thing you do is from the inside determine where this is going to fit and mark it on the inside. You then drill a hole, a small hole, and from the outside I'm using a 52mm circular saw. We drill a hole through the firewall. I'm using a reconditioned Gemini brake booster. You then put it through the hole and determine where the holes are. You mark the holes for the mounting bolts. You then drill them with 8.5mm drill bit. You may need to use a round file and a flat round to slightly adjust this a bit. But once you've got it there, you can mount this into the firewall. I'm just going to put a couple of bolts on the inside, nuts on the inside. Now that that's secure, we can fit our master cylinder, which is an XB Falcon master cylinder. This will go straight onto the Gemini booster. And there we have it. In our next video I will show us mounting this on the inside of the firewall. The 1992 Nissan brake pedal. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video or if it was helpful, please subscribe to my channel.